L.
V.
V.
A.
A.
B.
B.
Yeah.
What else?
Y.
Y.
Yeah.
What's that letter? H. It's letter H. What
Yeah.
letter? A T. Eh? Okay. Let me see. Okay pala.
Q.
U.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
A. What else? B. What else? J pa. Dami oh. Y. Where is letter M? With a green color. M. Where's M?
H. D.
Oh, can you get it? That's W. The M is color green.
A.
Color green.
B.
Oh, can you look for it?
H. D.
Wow, very good. You did.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yeah.
You did it. You get it. Oh, careful. Where is letter F? F. F for fairy. F. Fairy. F. Wow. Letter F. Where is letter X? X. X. Can you get the letter X? X. X for xylophone.
Yeah.
You see it? Where's the letter X?
Yeah.
Where is the letter X? Okay, mommy will change it. Where is the letter G? Can you point the letter G? Where's the letter G? G. That's Y. Where's the letter G? Letter G. Where is it? Where's the letter G? G. Oh, X pala yan. That's letter X. How about the letter G? Wow! You did! Great! You work hard on that. You did it. Oh no! You stick it again. How about the letter S? S for sun. Wow! What is the S sounds like? S. How about